Hey guys, it's Latanamore, and today is a pretty monumental day in the history of my YouTube channel. And the reason for this is because today we're going to be unboxing the big boy. Now, if you don't know what I mean when I say big boy, I mean you probably do know because you read the title of this video. But today we are going to be unboxing my new Canon T7i. But anyway, without further ado, let's cut right into this. Alright, so I'm gonna try to do this sitting down, but it's really big package. So yeah, let's just cut the seal, I guess. Alright, so we're done cutting that. I'm gonna see if I can rip this open. Whoa. I don't know if you can see this, but there is a ton of stuff in here. Like, holy crap. Alright, I'm just gonna move this entire box over here just to get it out of the way for now, so we can have kind of a cleaner area to unbox some stuff. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna grab here is this Pro Stick tripod. Let's just crack right into this. And yeah, we got a box. Pretty cool. It looks like this thing comes in a bag. Alright. Okay, so yeah, here's the tripod. Doesn't feel the best build quality. I mean, it's kind of flimsy, but it'll probably do what I want it to do, so I guess that's what counts, I guess. I have to make sure I don't break it literally 2 seconds after I get it out of the box, but yeah, new tripod. Pretty cool. Alright, the next thing I'm gonna unbox is another really important thing in this box. It is the Rode VideoMic Go camera top microphone, which is really good for vlogging, which I plan to do a lot of with this new camera. This microphone also will make my videos sound a lot better. They'll have much better quality. So yeah, this is a pretty cool thing all around, and let's see what's in here. Another box. Alright, so it looks like it comes in this little plastic thing. You'll go over there in the box area. Alright, so obviously we have the mic itself in all its black and red and fuzzy and nice smelling glory. Now this thing slides right on the top of the camera, and that's pretty much it. It just makes audio better. So yeah, pretty hyped to start using that in my videos because it's a microphone, an actual microphone, you know. Alright, looks like we have some instructions. Just gonna toss those aside because, you know, obviously instructions aren't important. Alright, and it looks like the next thing we got is this weird looking cable, all, you know, coiled up and stuff. And yeah, let's plug this B right into the back. But yeah, this was the Rode VideoMic Go, or whatever it was called. I don't really remember. I can't really see the box. But yeah, pretty cool and pretty integral to what I want to do with this camera. Next thing we got here is two lenses. We got a 0.43x high definition AF wide angle lens and a 2.2x high definition AF telephoto lens. So yeah, pretty complicated names, but they sound pretty cool. I really don't know much about cameras at all, so I'm just kind of going into this blind. Alright, so in both of these, looks like we have a little leather bag, really nice. We also got some instructions. I will keep those in the box, put them down here, and save them for later when I actually need to use those lenses. I don't want to break them, so I'm just going to leave them in the bags for now. But yeah, we got some lenses for our camera. Neat. Next thing we got here is this giant carrying backpack bag thing. You know, to carry your camera and all the different stuff with your camera. So yeah, this is pretty cool. I'll have a way to transport my stuff safely, so pretty nice. Alright, next thing we got here is some random stuff in a bag that I have no idea what it is. Alright, looks like we have a SanDisk 32GB SD card for all the things that I take and record with the camera. We got this little USB thingy. Cool. We have a wireless remote, also pretty cool. We have this thing, which I have no idea what it is, but it's also pretty cool. I should probably stop throwing these things, because I don't want to break nothing. We have this. Cool. And yeah, that's the random bag of random stuff, random goodies, and random fun. And last but not least, we have the Canon EOS Rebel T7i, the most important thing in that box. Now I gotta unbox this quick because my phone's running out of battery, and if it dies on me, I will die too. So opening up the box, first up, we got this. Next up, we got an absolutely massive instruction manual. How many pages is this? 182 pages long. This is the largest instruction manual I have ever seen. Like, holy crap. Next, we got a register thing. I'll handle that later because I want to unbox this thing at the moment. And looks like next, all we gotta do is lift this cardboard up. And ooh, what do we have here? First thing is the battery. That's kind of important because your camera wouldn't be able to run without a battery. Next, we have this thing, which I'm presuming is a lens. Alright, my suspicions were confirmed. This is a lens. I don't know if you can see that there, but this is gonna go on the end of the camera. Oh my god, I took this off and I have no idea how to get it back on. There we go. Pretty cool. Next up, we have this strap. Yeah, this is pretty cool. I'm just saying everything is cool because I really don't know what to say. Next, we have a battery charger, you know, to charge the battery that powers the camera. And last but not least, in the last but not least thing, we have the camera body. Looks like it's wrapped in this sort of paper material. I like it. I like this sort of paper material, I guess. It means something's pretty high quality, which this is. It feels so weird actually holding this thing. It's like so insane. It's like unboxing a Switch. I've been wanting this thing forever, and now I finally have it. This is great. The screen can pivot, which is pretty awesome. You know, when I want to record vlogs or something, I can see what's on the screen there, which is pretty nice. Also, I can fold the screen back in on itself and have sort of like a digital camera thing. But yeah, I don't really have much to say about this camera other than that it's amazing. And I'll just go into more detail about it actually because I see a bunch of things on here that I want to mention. Here on the side, we have a couple of compartments. This one houses the mic jack. Oh, speaking of the mic, let's hook this baby up right here. Am I doing this right? Looks like it. And let's plug this into here. And there we go. We got the perfect vlogging camera right out of the box. This thing also has HDMI, looks like, on the side, and also micro USB as well. We have the memory card thing. It's like that's where the SD card goes, so neat. We have tons of different like on and off switches, buttons, stuff that I have no idea what happens to them. But yeah, other than that, it's pretty cool. There's the sensor in there. Gotta be careful with that because that's very sensitive and it can break really easily. Snap, this one's going in my unboxing compilation. You know what, let's just attach these lenses quick. I just want to see what the camera looks like with them on. Oh. And there we go. We have the Canon T7i. And I have just unboxed a $900 package. So, yeah. Feels pretty good. But anyway, guys, if you enjoyed this unboxing of the Canon EOS Rebel T7i with a bunch of other stuff, because it's a creator kit, leave a like down below, because it would really help me out a bunch and show that you guys are liking my videos. Also, comment down below, do you have any suggestions or tips or advice for this camera, because I have never owned an actual DSLR or, you know, anything like this before, so yeah, I'm pretty new to this, but hopefully I can get really good at it in the future and make some nice stuff. And most of all, subscribe! And also click that bell to see all my videos when they're uploaded. And also subscribing will help me out a ton because it helps the channel grow and show that you guys are enjoying my content enough to subscribe. And I'm going to make amazing videos in the future now with this camera. So yeah, subscribe, stay tuned for that. Also remember to follow me on all my social medias. Twitter, Instagram, join my Discord server, link should all be in the description below, or on my channel banner, because I usually forget to put them down in the description anyways. But anyway guys, this has been Leitanamore, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.